I'm Hope Zvara. I'm the CEO of Mother Trucker Yoga. For more than 20 years, I've helped tens of thousands of people in pain, just like you. And over the last 4 years, I've helped thousands of truck drivers change lanes in their health and fitness. I know what it's like to live in pain. I spent a majority of my life struggling to get my health back on track. And I want to share with you the things that I have learned in my own life and the things that I have taught others just like you along the way. I believe it's about the small, simple changes that lead to the big results so that you can feel good again, so that you can feel better wherever you are, right from the cab of the truck. Whether you're a local driver, a regional driver, or an over-the-road truck driver, this training video can help you learn how to implement those small, simple changes so that you can stay healthy no matter where you are. At Mother Trucker Yoga, it's our mission to help 1 million drivers change lanes in their health and fitness by 2031 with small, simple changes. With a little bit of effort, I know you're gonna be moving more and feeling great in your body. With Mother Trucker Yoga, we want you to feel better wherever.